स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manual. So today's video is all about the score versus colleges for your upcoming exam Maharashtra MCA CET 2021. So friends, if you are preparing for 2021, then here I listed some of the top colleges in Maharashtra who accept the CET scores and the colleges whom you can think about. So if your aim is to become a master of computer application, then friends, be prepared for the MCA CET, and if you are really preparing for MCA CET, then your aim should be the top colleges only, because friend, top colleges gives you the more facilities as compared to other ones, and overall they gives you the 100% placement. So if you want a preparation for Maharashtra MCA CET 2021, then you can join our online live class preparations. So this is the course where what exactly you will get here. So very first one, you will get all the basic, all the fundamental concepts, and you will also receive the study materials. The second thing, that is you will get the access for the mock test, both with respect to the topic test and as well as full length mock test. Overall 5000 approx question will become into the practice. You will also get the mentorship by the toppers and the exam experts. So all the syllabus will taught, such as English, mathematics and statistics, logical reasoning and the computer concept. So major focus will be on mathematics and statistics and on the reading comprehension. You will get the approx 100 hour plus classes and the doubt sessions. All your doubt will be cleared in the live class. And for all the students, the WhatsApp group will be made, so you can interact with each other and also share your doubts with others. So you will get all the shortcut tricks, the mentorship, guidance and throughout the cognitive effect, so that you can easily crack the MCA CET. So to join, you can call or WhatsApp on 8828581455. So friend, what is your target? Which particular college you wanna enter? So right now set your target and keep trying until you reach it. So tell me in the comment box what exactly your target. So friends, don't count the 2020 cutoff will be the same in the upcoming year 2021. Not at all. Just add 10 to 15 plus marks into the 2020 cutoff, because friend, lot of students due to the COVID didn't appear for the exam, and you already got all the details regarding the MCA CET. So lot of students score very less mark compared to 2019. So friends, same competitions which we already saw in 2019 will be happen in 2021 more rigorously. So competition is going tougher now. These all are the colleges I listed here. These all are the scores you have to target. So very first one, the Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute, also known as VJTI, which is located in Mumbai. Always stand high. To enter into this college, you have to score 130 plus marks. The next one, the Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, which is also in Mumbai, 120 plus marks. The next one, KJ Somaiya, 115 plus. Vivekanand Education Society's Institute of Technology, 110. SIES College, 105. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, 102. And Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, 100 plus marks. The next one, the MIT School of Management, Pune, 100 plus marks. MES Institute of Management, Sri Ramdev Baba College Engineering and Management, Nagpur, 95 plus marks. Government College of Engineering from Satara, 93 plus marks. Now from Jalgaon, North Maharashtra University, 92 plus. From Palghar, Viva School of MCA, 88 plus mark. Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, 85 plus mark. And from the Amravati, the Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So to enter into this, you have to score 80 plus marks. So friends, note down all these figures in your mind and start your preparation and plan your strategies accordingly. So friends, gather all the resources and start your preparation from now onwards. And to crack MCA CET 2021, then you can join our online program where you will get all the stuff such as the books, mock test, sectional or full course, where you can interact live with us. So call on 8828581455 or visit manvaradu.com/MCA entrance. Or you can also call on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.